Alright, I'm going to make a quick and easy video for you guys. I work on lawnmowers a lot, and I've been seeing this a lot recently. So this is a 550E series Briggs & Stratton. Very comparable to Yard Machines, Troy built. Basically, this should be the solution for any of this style lawnmower that has the plastic carburetor. You can tell right here, black. There we go. Black plastic carburetor. So what's happening is I fire this lawnmower up. I've got the safety handle down. And then when I'm all done, I go to let go of the handle and the thing's still running. So there's an issue right under this cover. So what we're gonna do is remove this cover. So all you're gonna need is a 5/16 socket. For sake of time, I'm going to use this impact I've got right here. So without losing these screws, 1, 2, and 3. We'll set this cover right back here for now. Put our screws back in so we don't lose them. Now, when you let go of that handle, this cable engages an engine brake right here, but it's also supposed to ground out the spark. So if you look super close right here, there's actually a wire that's sitting right inside this hole. So when I came in here, this wire was not inside that hole. So what you got to do is push this little clip down here, slide your wire. It's a lot easier with 2 hands. So we're going to push this down. We're going to slide the cable through the hole, just like that, and then let go of this little spring steel. The cable should be through. Now we'll fire this thing up, and it will run, and then when we let go of the handle, it will shut off.